lima lene in November. Welcome to fireworks here in Auckland, New Zealand, and all over around New Zealand. So yeah, if you can hear it, it's everywhere. Happy 5th of November.
Sky Fox Day.
Woohoo! Cái này, cái này. Rất là kín. Cái cái kia. Cái này nghĩ có cái số.
You bought that. See?
Vê pá mesmo. Hả? Bà gì đấy, nó này không quá. Ah.
Oh, sorry.
What is that? Uy, apa sih baru merkuting?
The dog just got fried.
David, make sure it's...
Oh.
Ano siya?
Wait. Wait pa, lalo. Mali.
Look at the line one, that's mine.
Mom, she's looking away. She's looking at my back.
What fish?
Ayun, David. Maybe you're falling at David.
That's the dog fight.
You put one, Amon. You put one.
That's the dog fight.
David. Okay.
Ano lang, wala. Di ba? Dali, kala siya ay kukuha. Ano, wala mo.
Do I have to open this?
Dali, ano.
Here, David.
Next to that.
Wait, let's go first.
Tama lang siya. Sumasama kanya lang po. Elastic. May elastic. I like that one. Yay! This is all our next door neighbors. Look. Everybody's having a party. I like that blue one. Oh. Okay.
Oh, yeah.
Oh.
Here, give me that one.
There's no more. We'll do two of it at once. Wait.
Whoa, it just lightened up that one.
I lighted it up.
Look, that's our next door neighbor.
What's out here?
Snowball found two. Snowball squeeze.